everybody. In today's lesson I'm going to talk about how to play this really interesting descending and ascending pattern that Jimmy Page plays on the Led Zeppelin 1 album on the song Good Times, Bad Times. And I'm going to show you how he plays it and how you can learn how to play it as fast as he does and use it in your own songs. Now remember, if you like this video, to like this video on YouTube and to subscribe to my videos. I'm going to be posting new lessons every week, and then there'll be some other content that I put up periodically here and there, like backing tracks and other things to help you practice. So before we get into this lesson today, I want to talk about like how to practice to get really good and fast at things like scales and these descending and ascending patterns. One of the biggest things that you can do to learn and get better at your guitar playing is to, I know people say it before, but just practice a lot. 15 minutes a day can work wonders. And what you want to do is you want to build what's called muscle memory. And the way you build muscle memory is by doing the same things over and over again. And make sure you do them 100% correct at a slow speed, and then build up going faster, but only when you can play it 100% correct. If you try to get something like 80 or 90%, you're actually going to do some harm, because you're going to build muscle memory in a bad way. I used to practice like that when I first started playing guitar, and I had to kind of unlearn and relearn things in order to be able to play them properly. You can a lot of times play at 80%, it sounds okay, but you'll really notice the difference and you'll really progress faster if you start playing things slowly over and over again, build muscle memory, and play it correctly. And then when you're playing leads and jamming with people, you'll find that the stuff that you've learned with your muscle memory just kind of comes out, and you don't have to think about it. And so another important thing to think about is what you're learning. The stuff that you're learning is going to come out in your playing. Now, a lot of it is going to be your own personality and the way you want to play, but the stuff you learn builds the muscle memory, and the muscle memory comes out a lot of times when you're playing. So if you want to sound like Jimmy Page, if you want to sound like Jay Mascis, if you want to sound like Johnny Thunders, practicing the way they play and practicing their technique will come out in your playing, and you will kind of sound like a combination of your influences along with your own personal taste. But again, I found those types of tips to be really helpful in learning. Now we'll get on with the lesson. So this descending pattern that Jimmy Page plays in Good Times, Bad Times is based on the E minor pentatonic scale, and he's basically just going to walk the scale down with his first finger on the 12th fret, and I'll go through it slowly. And I mean, that's basically all there is to it, but obviously he plays it pretty quickly. And so what I talked about earlier in the video is what you need to do is just play this slower and slower over and over again, getting it correct, and then gradually speed up. Now, I'll use alternate picking on it, because when you get really quick on this, it becomes very difficult to play all downward strums and get that speed. So when I practice it and when you learn it, practice it with the alternate picking, because as you build that muscle memory, you'll learn how to play it with the alternate picking. So I'll play it again slowly. And so yeah, just practice that over slowly. Use a metronome if you want, and then just gradually increase the speed of it. And it's when it's played quickly, it's a really interesting sounding phrase that you can use in like pretty much any lead. And then you can also do it ascending, basically starting from lower down in the scale and working your way up. So in this example, I start with my same first finger in the 12th fret on the A string, and I'll play it upwardly. And you can do that. I mean, this is an E. You can do it anywhere in scale in any lead, and usually people will do it to build up to like the climax of the solo or whatever you're doing. But it really is a cool phrasing. A lot of blues guitar players do it. A lot of rock guitar players do it. So that's it for today's lesson. Just remember, do these over and over again. Start slow, build up faster as you can, but only once you get it 100% correct. And build up that muscle memory. And this goes with anything you're learning on guitar. Just build up that muscle memory, and you'll find that it comes out when you're playing, when you're jamming or playing or building your leads. Remember, if you like this video, like it on YouTube. And remember to subscribe so that you know when I post new lessons. And I'll see you guys next time.